Aristotle's quotes and writings have been passed down from generation to generation, and are the first comprehensive system of Western philosophy. It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees the others. Democracy is when the indigent, and not the men of property, are the rulers. Dignity does not consist in possessing honors, but in deserving them. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Education is an ornament in prosperity and a refuge in adversity. Equality consists in the same treatment of similar persons. Even when laws have been written down, they ought not always to remain unaltered. Every rascal is not a thief, but every thief is a rascal. Fear is pain arising from the anticipation of evil. For what is the best choice, for each individual is the highest it is possible for him to achieve. Friendship is essentially a partnership. Good habits formed at youth make all the difference. Happiness depends upon ourselves. Happiness is an expression of the soul in considered actions. Happiness is the settling of the soul into its most appropriate spot. He who has never learned to obey cannot be a good commander. He who is to be a good ruler must have first been ruled. Hope is a waking dream. I count him braver who overcomes his desires than him who conquers his enemies, for the hardest victory is over self. In all things of nature there is something of the marvelous. I have gained this by philosophy, that I do without being commanded what others do only from fear of the law. It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. It is easy to perform a good action, but not easy to acquire a settled habit of performing such actions. It is not enough to win a war, it is more important to organize the peace. It is possible to fail in many ways, while to succeed is possible only in one way. It is well to be up before daybreak, for such habits contribute to health, wealth, and wisdom. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Liars, when they speak the truth, are not believed. Love is composed of single soul inhabiting two bodies. Man is a goal-seeking animal. His life only has meaning if he is reaching out and striving for his goals. Men acquire particular quality by constantly acting in a particular way. Men are swayed more by fear than by reverence. Misfortune shows those who are not really friends. Most people would rather give than get affection. My best friend is the man who, in wishing me well, wishes it for my sake. No notice is taken of a little evil, but when it increases it strikes the eye. No one would choose a friendless existence on condition of having all the other things in the world. Obstinate people can be divided into the opinionated, the ignorant, and the boorish. Perfect friendship is the friendship of men who are good, and alike in excellence, for these wish well alike to each other qua good, and they are good in themselves. Piety requires us to honor truth above our friends. Pleasure in the job puts perfection in the work. Poetry demands a man with a special gift for it, or else one with a touch of madness in him. Poetry Poetry is finer and more philosophical than history, for poetry expresses the universal, and history only the particular. Poverty is the parent revolution and crime. Probable impossibilities are to be preferred to improbable possibilities. Republics decline into democracies and democracies degenerate into despotism. Something is infinite if, taking it quantity by quantity, we can always take something outside. The actuality of thought is life. The aim of art is to represent not the outward appearance of things, but their inward significance. The aim of the wise is not to secure pleasure, but to avoid pain. The antidote for 50 enemies is one friend. The difference between a learned man and an ignorant one of the same is that between a living man and a corpse. The educated differ from the uneducated as much as the living from the dead. The energy of the mind is the essence of life. A happy life is regarded as a life in conformity with virtue. The ideal man bears the accidents of life with dignity and grace, making the best of circumstances. The least initial deviation from the truth is multiplied later 1,000-fold. The most perfect political community is one in which the middle class is in control, and outnumbers both of the other classes. The one exclusive sign of thorough knowledge is the power of teaching. The proof that you know something is that you are able to teach it. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. The ultimate value of life depends upon awareness and the power of contemplation rather than upon mere survival. The worst form of inequality is to try to make unequal things equal. There is no great genius without some tuft of madness. To be conscious that we are perceiving or thinking is to be conscious of our own existence. Through discipline comes freedom. Wishing to be friends is quick work, but friendship is a slow ripening fruit. You will never do anything in the world without courage. If you liked the video, thumb up, make sure to subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching.